Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove this run channel on the rear door on a 2016 Honda Accord. So start off by rolling your rear glass all the way down, and then you're going to need to take off the door panel, and I have a separate video on how to take off the door panel, and I'll link to that in the description below. And next thing you're going to do is we're going to have to peel back this vapor barrier. And so just slip it over this rubber plug and then take a razor blade, and we're going to cut this adhesive between the vapor barrier and the door just enough where we can get a little bit of a window into this bolt right here that holds the run channel in. And used a 10mm socket and take that bolt out. And then just up above the run channel, you got this rubber seal. You just want to peel that back. And in behind there is a Phillips screw that needs to come out. And then get a hold of this rubber inside the run channel and pull out on it. And then once you got some slack, you're going to pull up on it. And then that frees up the run channel. And then bring it in towards the inside of the car, and then just pull straight up on it. And then once the run channel is out of the way, you can just pull on the corner glass, and it slides right out. That's it guys, that's how you remove the corner glass. Thanks for watching.